Okay, so we've got Bayfree color correcting treatment here. This is something I have been using, and it is a K-Beauty brand. This does give you full coverage, and what it does is all that redness under my skin makes it magically disappear. So if you want to go bare face and you just don't want your face looking red, this would be one of those things you want to use. I would also say that if you are a makeup artist and you're doing someone's makeup, I would definitely recommend putting this in your kit for anyone who has a lot of red in their skin. I've used it with makeup and it works really great. I'll show you towards the end of the video what my face looks like with it under makeup, so you'll see. But yeah, let's go ahead and show you. Like, I would show you on my arms, but my arms are very pale. They're not as red. This is kind of a burn that I did. I know that's kind of great. I promise you it was not for this video, but like I burnt myself cooking. Anyways, I will show you just a little bit on here because you can kind of see it's green and see how it mats it a little bit, and that's what it does. Obviously this is a burn, so it's not going to cover it completely, but you can see how it kind of cancels out some of the redness. So when it's your face, it's really going to work, and we're going to go ahead and do half the face and I will show you what that looks like. Okay, so you can see here, kind of getting close so you can see it a little bit better. You can see all this little redness, kind of speckled redness, doesn't exist over here. The skin is nice and smooth. It looks really, really, really pretty. See, this is side with, this is the side without. So I'm going to do the full face and I'll be right back. Or full face of this treatment. Okay, so there's the full face with it. You see there's no more red. It matches the backs of my arms now, so it has this nice even tone to it. Looks really good. It is non-greasy, so if you're concerned about using like a treatment or some sort of serum or lotion on your skin that's going to make it greasy, this does not make it greasy. It is also water resistant. I do have a water bottle here, and this is a mister because I don't like things that splat, but this is just regular water, tap water. So let's go ahead and spray. Okay, I drenched myself, like literally, you can see it, but you can see nothing's transferring. So if you wear it to a pool or a beach or whatever, you don't have to worry about it coming off. It's going to stay. This is definitely something that's going to be good for you all day. I'm going to let that dry a little bit, and then I am going to try some foundation. Okay, so I did put a little primer on my face because I always do that before I put foundation, but we're going to go ahead and put some foundation on so we can see, so you can see the difference. Like, you know, we all know what foundation full coverage looks like, but like having your skin already like evened out before you put on your foundation is a really good thing to do. I mean, it's very helpful when applying it. I usually don't use a lot of foundation because I focus heavily on skincare, because when your skin looks great, you don't need a lot of foundation. So let's go ahead and put a little on. Okay, so there's my face with the foundation over the product, and if you can see it, my skin looks incredibly flawless and smooth. Absolutely love that. So I'm gonna go and put a little bit more makeup on. I'm not doing a full glam look or anything, just a little light look, and I'll be right back. There is my full face of makeup with this product underneath. You can see that it actually is very smooth. I just used cream products on top, but sometimes I put powder on it. But either way, if you can see, you can't really tell I have it on underneath, other than the fact that my skin looks kind of flawless. So that's really all I could say about this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Do check out this product. It is on Amazon. I will have it linked down below in the description. Otherwise, I hope I'll see you in my next video.